Simple2 presents 3 tricks to become a more patient person. Hey, what's up? I'm Simple2, and in this video, I'll teach you how to become a more patient person. And the thing is, this video is less than 2 minutes. Let's get started. 1. Practice. David Beckham once said, "The secret to my success is practice. Patience takes practice." Believe it or not, practice actually works. Do something repeatedly and you'll get the hang of it. That's just how we work. 2. Take deep breaths. All you have to do is close your eyes, then breathe. This might not seem like it works, but breathing or taking some time to just relax can really help. It can also help see that you're being impatient, which can help you be more patient. 3. Be realistic. I put together 3 columns. The red column, traffic. That might seem like something that is worth getting impatient about, but you can't really do anything. Yellow column, lines. Again, you can't really do anything to make it go quicker, so nothing worth being impatient about. Blue column, deliveries. You can't do anything about that, though I wish you could. Just follow these steps. Take a deep breath. Think, can I do anything? If the answer is no, just stop being impatient. Deliveries will arrive. Lines will come to an end. Alright, I hope you're on your way to become a more patient person. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications so you'll get notified every single time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!